Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento guys. If you have one of those vehicles guys, any generation, you have engine light on and code P0300, we'll explain how one component that most people never think about that can easily cause that code. So make sure to stay with us guys. We'll explain what it is. We have a special video that explains the top 5 reasons for code P0300, so check it out. Okay, but in this video we'll explain something that most people never replace and you should replace it guys, and if you check your service manual guys, even will say so. So let's start on it now. So as we said, that should work on most generation Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys. Before we start, let me tell you, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So with that being said, let's explain how we're going to do that now. So this right here now guys, it's a 2.4 GDI engine that we'll demonstrate on, but even if you have a different engine, the procedure is about the same. Now many of you guys have been asking us, since we're doing a diagnostic video for the code guys, you ask us about what diagnostic tool we use, what we recommend. This is the one guys, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below guys, where you can get it from, and find out more information about it. It works on almost any car you can think of guys. It's an all system scanner, so it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Key is right here. We'll go ahead and remove the upper engine cover. Now let's just get it out guys. Okay, perfect, and we'll explain. Okay, that's the valve cover right here guys. Now P0300 guys, it's a code that is really hard to diagnose, and we have a special video, very detailed video that explains how to do that. But things that usually can cause P0300 is a vacuum leak guys. Vacuum leak is some extra air that the engine is getting but it doesn't know of, that will lead to a lean fuel mixture. It will mean that means that the engine is getting more air and less fuel, and as a result it cannot ignite correctly, and as a result you get that called P0300. Another thing, it could be not enough fuel supply, such as dirty fuel injectors, dirty fuel filter, weak fuel pump, bad fuel pressure regulator, sensor, all that stuff guys. Now another thing guys that many people never ever think about that guys, you have one device that's known as a PCV valve. That device right here, you have the hose, you can see it will be installed right here and goes to the intake manifold. The purpose of that valve guys, is actually when your engine runs, the pistons go up and down, that creates internal pressure, and that pressure needs to come out, or every oil gasket guys seal will fail on your engine, even the head gasket. And the purpose of that valve is to take that air guys, that pressure, to the intake manifold, and the engine oil will drip back in the engine. Now if that valve fails guys, or the hose is broken or leaking guys, that will cause a vacuum leak. And that vacuum leak guys can easily cause these codes as well. Because of that PCV valve you can easily get code P0300. If you want to see how to test PCV valve on Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento, we have a special video that explains how to do that. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix any of these codes, and if you check your manual, it will say that you need to replace that at certain mileage guys, and most people, 9 out of 10 people, will never actually do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.